Okay, now we are going to test 5.6 MetaHuman. So I'm going to add a custom MetaHuman character. So this is the first process. You need to start the plugin. As everyone shown, you can find it this process anywhere else also. So this is the first process. You need to turn on all the plugins for the Unreal necessary for MetaHuman to work 5.6. So I'll create one folder. Uh, So this is the same process what everyone do, but I'm going to add a custom mesh what I have created previously without this process. So I'm going to create the process of 5.56. It is the inbuilt MetaHuman custom character creation process what they have updated in 5.56. So here I'm going to import a body mesh. This is the custom body mesh which is sculpted by me in the ZBrush as per the topology of the MetaHuman mesh as the body, and this is the head mesh of that same. So there we need to add the head mesh, body mesh, and the right eyes and the left eyes, then the teeth. These are the basic requirement of this process. So first you have to clear it out with the custom character. So here we have all the meshes what we need. So I'll save it once. So then we'll create one same process of MetaHuman creator. Right click, new folder for keeping the MetaHuman character. So one more folder for the character name. So here I'll go to MetaHuman and MetaHuman character. This is the process. So I'll create a Hulk named character. This was not previously available. So I'll double click on it. So there are some missing plugins, so I have to restart my Unreal also, enable it and restart it. Then you will see this window. It is quite GPU intensive because everything is happening in the PC what you are working, not online right now. So enabling it, whatever the requirement is, the restart of the Unreal, you have to do it. It takes a lot of time. I just skipped the process, the time what duration it takes. So it is very GPU intensive. So we need, this is the basic what you see right now in YouTube, that everyone is showing the custom which we can create over here, sculpt and everything. I'm going to set the replace the body and the head what I created. So this is the process what if you have your own. So first creating the confirm and the from template, then you have to search the static mesh what you have created and import it. It will replace the body what available in the MetaHuman. So this is the body what I created, just the exact same what I have done in ZBrush and Maya. So I'll replace the head also from template. Here we have to replace the head and the left eye and the right eye what we have exported from Maya, just to match the character face, the teeth also. Yeah, then we confirm it. So it will replace the head, but some neck problem are there, so we need to tick mark this uh, neck process. We need to keep it none. You can try yourself whatever suits you. So this is the mesh. It is just the mesh what we are seeing right now. It is not rigged right now. So I'll try to replace the texture also, then you'll see what texture what I have done, it is capturing on this process or not. So these are the materials, so these are the body what I created. It is quite getting perfectly what I created. I think rest will be the uh, normal map which will replace in the blueprint, that will fix all the other problems of the detail for the body mesh. So these are the detail what I sculpted in body mesh, that lot of things are getting noticeable. Yeah, it's perfect. So I will try to replace the texture what I created in Substance for this character. I create a folder for the texture file to import, just a texture file. Now I'm not replacing the normal map. So these are the texture. I'll save it once. So now I'll try to replace the same name over here for the body, for the face. So this is the body part. Yeah, yes, this is the head and this is body. So yeah, it's come perfectly what I created. So this is the custom character. The pipeline what we are using right now is the Unreal 5.6 pipeline for MetaHuman. Yes, it look very great. I think the lighting, it's enhancing the textures and the body. Yes, we'll try out some hair and freckles also. Yeah, the eyes are a little bit left and right, so we can fix it. I just tried it with the default mesh what I have, so we can fix it for the mesh in Maya or any editing software. I prefer only Maya for this, the editing for the mesh. It's look great. So these are the freckles what add-ons to the texture what I have. Yeah, it's adjusting quite good. We'll check out some hairstyle for this character. So it should fit to the body mesh or the face. Yes, it's directly coming to the face. Last time I was struggling for this, to I have to create my own hairstyle for it, for the custom head and all that, but this time I think it is very easy in this process what the 5.56 MetaHuman have. So we'll replace some hair, eyebrows, eyelashes, and beard. We'll see what default character process look like. So every groom are fitting just exactly what place it want to be. We don't have to create any binding asset for custom beard, hair, or anything. Yeah, it's look very great. Try out the body fit cloth. Let's see if it fits or not. Yeah, it's fitting quite good. Yes, it adjusted the body mesh. Yep, that's working fine. It's a little bit skin tight for this type of character. If I want a baggy clothes, we have to do it manually. I think it's just adjusting the blend shape, the body and the hair. We'll close the cloth right now. We'll see what kind of detail we are getting closely. It's very good. It just came a different character look what I have created from the hairstyle and the beard and the mustache. Again, I'm saying it is very GPU intensive. But I'm glad everything is happening in my PC. I'm not dependent on any servers and all that. Yeah, let's try this hair. Everyone seeing this hair quite demanding. No, no, it's not fitting to the character. This is the hair what my friend told to test it out. The first time when I was creating this character a year ago. Yes, it's fitting quite good. But I'll keep the hair what I first preferred. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yo, no, wait, this is different, but it's getting what I wanted. Yeah, it's look very realistic. Okay, let's find out if we create a rig for this, it will work or not, because this is just a static mesh what we are seeing right now. So to create, let's try out some different hair, long hair. and to see if it adjusts with the collar mesh or not. I think that will be adjusted with the physics. Yeah, it's little bit adjusting, not much. It's look good. The viewport is little bit not quite handy for adjustment. I have to struggle a lot to adjust the face and the body. Then I see if we select the head mesh, it will focus on head, or if we select the body, it will focus on body, full body. So I'll keep this here. Yeah, let's process the full body. So to process the full body, I think we need to download the textures, 4K texture or 2K texture. It's just the same process. So it downloaded. I just skipped the part. You need to download it to 4K or 2K. So then we click on create full rig. So it will create a full rig of the body, what we have to use previously as a plugin or anything for Maya, but right now it is doing everything in Unreal only. Let's see what kind of output it gives. Yeah, it takes a lot of time. The first time you do it, you need to sign in and accept all the terms and services. I skipped that. So this is the mesh what I'm using. I'll show you what body mesh and the head mesh are look like. So this is the body and this is the head, and you need to add the eyes, teeth, left, right, both. These are the 6 meshes. You need to 5 meshes you need to carefully create it in any editing software, adjusting with the mesh what you have. So this is the mesh my friend given me, so I am trying out on that. So it confirmed and created, I think. Yeah, no, the body is not adjustable quite clearly. I think I know what is the problem it's going on. So the hands are not quite right place. So the problem, I think I know what is the problem is. So I'll try to fix it right here only. So it's not adjustable in this process, so we need to create it, adjust it on the Maya only. Yeah, it's not stuck. I'm doing something else. Wait for a few seconds, a minute. I'll try to open the Maya rig, what I created, the pipeline for Maya. So first I'll remove the rig from this character to replace the body mesh and the head mesh. Okay, the rig is removed, so we can now edit the body and the face mesh. What we need to adjust the hands. So this is the Maya file previously what I created. So what problem I facing is I deleted the history and imported the mesh, so that was the wrong process. So I think I need to unbind the mesh, then I need to import it. So like that I think it will fix the problem. Let's see, this is just the R&D process. So I'll export the head mesh as an FBX. So I'm doing it in a separate display so you can see it. Just I'm exporting the mesh, not nothing any fancy stuff. I deleted the history for the blend chips what face have, the skin also. I exported the head, I export the body. Now let's try to re-import the body and the head. So this is the body mesh. I'll re-import with the new file. So this is the 2 number of the body, second number version. This is the second number of head. Okay, let's try it out. I think it is not updated automatically, so we need to update it by the same process for the body and the head. I'll search for the body too. So the body same name, body 01, import it. Yeah, right now it's adjusted its hands. Replace the head. Let's try out with confirming the rig process. Let's see it comes or not. I think it should fix the problem. So this creating full rig process, it takes a lot of time, so I'll skip some part of it. Yeah, it's done. So this is the ZBrush file for the character. So I sculpted it, posed it. Some of the texture is done in ZBrush, some of the texture in Substance. This is without texture, 0 LED, 6 level. I think this all the detail will come in normal map after completing the blueprint asset for the character. So the rig is done. Let's test the idle position. Yeah, it's fixed the problem. So you just need to adjust the hand position for the custom characters. If this kind of character are there bulky, so it's doing all of the work what I have tried in Maya, so in the same Unreal only. So I think lot of custom creation pipeline software plugins are there for Maya, for MetaHuman. I think they are going to get ignored right now, because this thing's solving all the problem. So these are the default animation. Yeah, it's coming quite great, quite same, quite familiar what the custom pipeline scripts gives. So we don't have to use any scripts and all that. I think this is the process what I'm waiting for. So I don't have to depend on any other plugin, paid plugin or anything. The groom binding asset are working very fine. Yes, I am impressed with this. Let's try out some body animation. Eh, This is little bit weird. I think the problem is I have put the body animation in the face rig. That's why it's happening like this. Yeah, that's the problem. So I'll keep it default. I'll add a body animation to the body. So same template, body animation. Yeah, it's working fine. Yes. Body ROM is working fine. Really impressed. So I think it's final. So we'll create a blueprint for this. So for I think we need to download the texture what we skipped in previous. So I done that. I skipped the process because it's taking a lot of time. So this is the blueprint what it created. It is the same process, but the live retarget file is missing. I have faced that problem to retarget with the third person mannequin, but it's still missing from the build character blueprint. Yeah, we'll test it out with if it is coming with the control rig or not. So this is working fine. I think I don't need any other software, any other plugin for the software to tweak a custom MetaHuman. Yeah, let's test the control rig is working or not. I create a sequencer and add that character on it. If it's ready-madely there, it will come. Yeah, it's came. The control rigs are there. Let's test out it working or not. So the control rig are not uh, adjusted with the body mesh. Yeah, but it's there. We can adjust it. Yeah, everything work fine. Head movements are there. Body movements are there. Groom is intact. Everything is intact. Yes. Let's build some fantastic character from this. See you next time.